Good morning. I'm Dr. Manu Gautam. I am Senior Consultant Orthopedic and Joint Replacement in Dharamshila Narayana Super Specialty Hospital with a special interest in knee replacement surgeries, joint replacement surgeries. So today we'll be talking about what is knee replacement. Do we replace your knees? What does it mean? Who needs it? And are you a perfect candidate for a knee replacement or knee arthroplasty surgery? So knee replacement is kind of a misnomer. We do not replace your knees. We just resurface the damaged part of your knee with a metal implant. We do not change the knee as per. Bones are your own. See, for an example, this is a knee which is osteoarthritic. It is all damaged. So what do? Do we change the knee? No. So what we will be doing is, we will be changing the surface of the knee which is damaged by a metal implant. The end of the bones will be yours. हड्डियां आपकी रहेंगी, ligaments and मांसपेशियां आपकी रहेंगी. Only the resurfacing of the knee is there by a cap. We put a cap like this and we just give you a smooth surface which makes your knee painless. So why do we call it knee replacement? Because the real terminology for knee replacement was knee arthroplasty. We do change the surface of your knee so that you can be pain-free as compared to when you were having a knee osteoarthritis. So knee replacement का myth तो खत्म हो गया. अब who needs it? So does every patient who is having knee pain or knee arthritis is a candidate for knee surgery? No. Knee replacement have few criteria. I ask few questions to my patient, especially if the X-ray is showing grade 4 or advanced osteoarthritis. Patient is having pain significant in walking. Those patients should be considered for surgery if all other modalities has been exhausted. That means we have tried conventional methods, medicines, physiotherapy, rehabilitation. If everything has failed and the patient's pain is not coming down and the X-ray is suggestive of one thing, that is advanced osteoarthritis, that patient can be considered for surgery after discussion with the surgery. When does the patient need to decide whether he or she needs a surgery? Just because the doctor is saying no? Just because your X-ray is telling you that you have a severe OA? No. So I generally ask my patient few questions. If the answer to those questions is yes, then you are a right candidate for knee surgery. First, do you have difficulty in getting up from your bed, climbing up the stairs up and down? And do you need to use the support of the side railing in the stairs? If the answer is yes, then this is one question. Second, if your overall quality of life is getting down, that means if I used to go to malls, marriages, or to the market to shop easily and whenever available, now I'm trying to avoid it, then another yes. Third, if I used to do my daily activities like getting up from the bed, going out, getting the vegetables, getting to the grocery store, getting the things of our daily requirement freely, now we are trying somebody else should do it. घर में कोई और है, तुम जाके ले आओ. So if our quality of life is getting affected, then it is another yes. So and fourth is if your gait is getting disturbed. What is gait? If the way you walk is getting disturbed. If I'm not able to walk straight and I'm walking like this, then that is another yes. And last, अगर आपके पैरों में if there is a deformity happening, अगर आपका पैर सीधा नहीं हो रहा है या बो होने लगा है, then another yes. If all these questions which you have just asked, if the answer to those questions is yes, that means you are a right candidate for surgery. Do not delay it. The more you delay it, the weaker your muscles will become, your gait will become poorer, and the results of surgery will be hampered. Discuss with your doctor, discuss with your family. If you are the candidate who is having pain and all those symptoms which we have just discussed, you are a right candidate for knee surgery. That is total knee arthroplasty. Thank you.